The Foolish Bear. Once upon a time in a forest lived a bear. This bear was a greedy one. Wherever he went, he wanted the biggest thing. One day, when the bear woke up in the afternoon, his stomach growled loudly. Oh dear, I am extremely hungry. So, he decided to go out in search of food. That day, the sun was shining brightly and everything looked beautiful. Oh, such a pity day today is, exclaimed the bear. Then I'll have the fish to enjoy this day, the bear thought cheerfully. So he hurried to the river bed. Upon looking into the river, the bear became happy. There are so many fishes. I shall eat a lot today. So the bear prepared to hunt. Looking at the fish intently, he waited for his chance. Upon finding the most opportune moment, the bear struck in one swift motion. I caught it! He roared. But when he looked at it, he wasn't that happy. What? This fish is too small. It won't fill my stomach. I will wait for a bigger fish. So the bear threw the small fish back into the water. The bear again began hunting again. He waited for his chance. After waiting for a while, he found his chance and he swung his large arm. He caught another fish. Oh no, he cried. Even this is too small for my stomach. I will wait for the bigger fish. So, the bear repeated the same act again and again. Time and time again, the bear caught the small fish. And time again, the bear let go of the fish. Always saying the same thing. I want to eat a bigger fish. This small fish won't fill my huge stomach. In the end, the bear had nothing to eat because he had thrown every fish back into the river.